You are so good. The perfect way to celebrate. Oh yeah. A special for Vincenzo's plate. Hi and welcome to Vincenzo's plate. Today it's celebration day. We are celebrating 50,000 YouTube subscribers. Thank you so much to every single one of you for making my dream come true. 4 years ago we started the channel and today I'm living a dream thanks to you. Today we're celebrating with the Cannolo Burger. My wife Suzanne created this and it's basically a donut filled with lots of Nutella and then you put the cannolo inside. It sounds crazy, it is crazy, and it's beautiful, delicious. Are you ready to try this life-changing experience? Okay, it is very important that you put the music on, maybe have a glass of wine and relax. Are you ready to start? Yeah. First thing to do for this recipe, you get 180 ml of full cream milk and then you put inside 20 grams of dry yeast. Mix it together, mix until the yeast gets absorbed into the milk. Then in a mixer you want to put 500 grams of flour. You should do 250 of Manitoba flour and 250 of 00 flour. If you can't find Manitoba, just use 00, 500 grams. And 60 grams of sugar. Then you put 2 eggs and mix very well. When you can see that the flour and the egg are mixing well together, you want to add the milk. Put the milk, mix. When it becomes more dense, you want to add 70 grams of butter, but do it in 2 stages. So do 35 grams first. When it gets absorbed, you add 35 more grams. Mix very well. Put just a pinch of salt. Now we have to mix this very well. Mix it as much as you can. When it becomes nice and a nice piece of dough, you take it out and you start working with your hands. You need to feel it with your hands. You need to relax with your hands. Do it. Work the dough. Work the dough so well. Now the dough is ready. Put it in a bowl. Cover it properly. And then you want to rest it for about 30 minutes at room temperature. How can you tell when the dough is ready? Well, you get a piece of the dough and you try to stretch it. You try to stretch it. If that piece of dough, it doesn't break, it means it's full of gluten and you've done the right job. You've done the right thing. So you can go to the next step. Spread out the dough, make it nice and flat. And then we use a circle cutter. It can be a professional cutter or it can be a glass. And you cut the size of the donuts that you like. So it could be small, could be big, doesn't matter, you choose it. What you do now that you have these wonderful, beautiful little round shapes, they need to rest for about 1 hour at room temperature. Make sure you cover them please, otherwise they dry up on top. After 1 hour you will see they will grow, they rise so well. So what you do is you fry them in a pan or in a fryer at 170 Celsius. When they become brown, it means they're ready. So you take them out and let them rest somewhere. When they become nice and cool, you want to pipe them with Nutella. Oh yes, guys, it's a must. So you make a little cut, you pipe it with Nutella. But because we're celebrating today, we're going to cut it enough. We put lots of Nutella. Oh yes, it's a must. And then we get this beautiful cannolo. And I'm piping the cannolo, filling the cannolo with ricotta and chocolate. It's my cream. Guys, if you want to learn how to make cannoli from scratch, watch the video up here and you will become a cannoli expert. Pipe it, you put the cannolo right inside the donut. Right inside, guys. Oh yeah. And now you put more Nutella on the bottom, more Nutella on the top. Yes, you need Nutella. And icing sugar to decorate it. And now you have created a masterpiece. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cannolo Burger, the famous Vincenzo's Plate Cannolo Burger, created by Suzanne, Suzanne's Plate. The smell is to die for. I made a small version, but you can make a bigger donut if you want, and bigger cannolo. Am I gonna do it? Am I going to do it? Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, please. And you can be part of the celebration. Only if you're subscribed, you can make this. You ready? Let's do it, let's do it. I'm gonna do it. How much you wanna do this, huh? Let me know. My God. You get the kick of Nutella, ricotta and chocolate, and this beautiful soft donut. All together, all in one bite. Oh my God. Suzanne, you're the best. You have created a masterpiece. Thank you guys for watching my episode. I will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate. My God, it's so yummy. You are so good.